Hey guys, it's Brad from Earlywood here. In front of me I've got maybe the last set of utensils you'll ever need to buy. This is our cooking spoon and our scraping spoon. It's got this elongated corner here, which A, makes the bowl bigger and gives you two different radiuses to scrape the inside of your pan. And we pair this with our scraper spoon. It's got this sharp front on it, and you've got 1.5 inches or so of scraping edge on it. Together, they do almost everything in your kitchen. You can serve, you can stir, you can scoop. With the flat end on this, you can scrape. That's flat and thin enough you can even chop with this. You might be looking around our website and you're not sure what to get. This is a guarantee. You're never gonna go wrong with this set. These two are right-handed. We also make them in a left-handed version, so if you're a lefty, we got you covered there. So if you're not quite ready to stock out your kitchen with every gadget you can think of, get these two spoons and you're 90% of the way there.